1, 2, 3, hello, how are you doing, guys? Let me quickly do some stuff before we do some live KQL. Cool. Almost finished. Let me see what logs I have. Alright. I want to do something with the parser, to be honest, which I was trying to develop more and more. So what I did is I am parsing some more types of different events from the Auditd. Like user login. Let me see. Yeah, it's updated, I guess. Yeah, user login, service stop is cool. So let's see what can we do. Let's see what types do we have. Right? Not sure why it does like corrects to this weird format, whatever. Yeah, so path, syscall, proc title, user act. Let's see in the official Red Hat documentation what there would be something that is helpful, because I can go ahead and parse everything. So I want to find out something more about the record types. Let me post this link to the chat, which is really helpful for what I am doing currently. This is interesting. Triggered when a user space user authorization atom is detected. User start. Session is started. I guess this means that session is closed. Okay, changes to the net filter. chain. Okay, so that could be something nice. Service start, service stop. Let's see this net filter. Double equals. So we have, like always, this part is similar to every single Auditd record event. Then we have like table, the family entries, is that everything? So that is going to be easier. Cool. So what I like to do is to use what I have already. Let's say the part what I have already written. Then we have like the table equals table. Yeah, looks good. Right. Is that it? Yeah. And to quickly check, I like to do the where is empty timestamp ID. If we see any record with empty timestamp ID, that means something is wrong. So this is looking kind of cool and it is easy. In the KQL you have like 3 options to do the parsing. You have extract, you have extract all, and you have parse. This is really when we talk about the performance, this is really the most heavy, and those are like similar, and those are like performing really well. I guess there is also split, I do believe, that you could be used for some kind of parsing-ish stuff. So yeah, for this I use the parse, because you can, in one line you can parse multiple values from the single column, which is like the event data. Not the event data, it's the syslog message, right, we parsed. Then you take it, you go to our original function, and let's specify it. I will put the test name for a little bit. Right. This is going to be our name. And we add it in here. And we can save it. So we have added another event. This was really easy, I guess. I hope that this schema, let's say, of columns doesn't change. Let's grab something else, I guess. If you guys have any like questions, whatever, feel free to ask me. I got those. What is this? User space shell command is executed. Show me that, because it could be interesting. Bash. Let's see. Can I like decode it from hex? Okay. Let me actually grab this and decode it off screen in case there's something. I don't want to okay, so it's like holding the commands I executed is really similar to the proc title, which is cool. But it's like it doesn't provide anything else. I was hoping that it will like hoping that it will also contain information about shared built-ins, but this is not the case. That's cool, nevertheless, right? Well, I'm not able to decode it with the KQL, I believe. So that's a bummer. By the way, I'm almost at 100 subscribers, which is really cool. Happy to see that some people like the content, what I do, and perhaps this is useful for you. Some different commands I have run, which is, I guess we can like try to parse it. Yeah, so like always, I like to take the first line, right? Okay, then we have the UID, which is 0, and you can specify like the type, which is something like that. No. Alright. It's like UID and it's int, right? You can see. I guess I can add it. Not sure if it's... Yeah, I should add it, I guess. So this is int as well. This is string. Right. Okay, and it broke because it didn't see the... Yeah. So this is int. After that we have a UID, which is a UID, and this is int as well. Then we have session. You can see what's happening, right? You specify the pattern. After that you specify what should be taken. After that there is like start of the another pattern, so it takes like the values in between those patterns and put them into your specified value. The value is the column in this case, in case of Azure Sentinel KQL stuff. So this is integer as well. After that we have the subject, which would go to the subject, right? Fuck. So here we go with the subject all the way until the message. So this would be the string. Next one is the message. Which is kinda interesting. Because I want to grab it without this single quotation. You can see it here and here. So this is like, this is the message. So we can go and do something like this, right? Yeah. So message is this. Let's just wait with this string for now. Shit. It is until the UID, which would be something like that, right? Yeah. Okay, the questions. So did it broke in this case? PID, UID, UID session. Do you want a long? I guess go about. Yeah, it's too long for that. Now fuck? Oh, yeah. Alright. So this part is like I try to also get rid of the double quotations. Yeah, which make it more pretty or whatever. Now we can specify like it's a string. Yeah, those are the strings. Okay, show me where is empty the timestamp ID. There's nothing in here, which is a good sign. So I guess I should like specify the type for each previous thingy I did, which is, let's say, which is about the future, let's say, corrections. Yeah, so this is like user CMD. User space shell command is executed. I guess it could be useful. This, yeah, we can also do some more stuff with the message in here. So we can do like parse message for CWD equals to CMD now. So now is CMD, which is CMD. Cool. So this is also string. Okay, the issue now, which I can see, is that CMD has quotations. See the quotations here, or this is like here as well. The hex. Fuck. So in this case, I do not do anything with the CMD, just to be safe. Right, and I will call it a string. So and after that we have terminal. And we have the res, which is res. This is string. And this is always also a string, right? So now show me okay. So quick checks whether there's like empty value. Well, I have only 60 even, so that's not that much. There is a possibility that it could like come with some different fields or some fields missing, but yeah, I'm not able to create like better one with what I have in the home-ish environment, because I currently only have one physical machine, virtual machine, but it's hosted on the physical host, which is ingesting the logs to the Azure Sentinel, or to the Microsoft Sentinel. Well, it's better to say that. So the amount of events is very limited, so yeah, that's the issue. However, this is something, yeah. Let's take it, let's put it in here. I call it after the name of the record type. Yeah. It's looking good. I still have like some issues because I have like 4 records that I need to deal with. Some different, like the XSCV with the one argument and something with the path. I guess like the quotation in some case. Yeah. But it is fine. It's not the perfect. So we can save it. Then I will update my GitHub, which is cool. So you can see that this is not really that hard. In the case of the Auditd as well. I mean, yeah. How are you guys doing? I like. Feel free to leave a comment down below after this stream is finished, and you can watch the VOD. Right? I'm pretty sure that this time is not that good for streaming. Not very much. Like, not many viewers, I guess, could be watching this when I record this. When I stream this, right? Still would like to solve the issue of the how to like decode the hex in the Azure Sentinel. That would be great. Yeah. Okay, what else? What else do I have? I want to do some work on it because I didn't have much time. What is this? Don't want to deal with the unknowns. Add user. Cool. Do I have it? Yes, I have it. Software update. Show me. Type equals to software update. Show me the software update once, please. What I can get. So in the message you have like software, I guess. What is being updated? Type. What command was used to update it? Okay, so I remember installing the IP tables with the IP table services, I mean. That's cool. I want that. Yeah. Let's go ahead and grab it. Right, so we can like grab the first line like always. Have already written that, so don't see the point why I shouldn't grab it, right? So I guess I can grab some more stuff. Well, this is really similar to the last one. Like this one, to be honest. Yeah. This is really cool. Very easy. So now we can like focus on the message. Cool. Can also go ahead and call it string. This is also a string. Now we have the key enforce equals to key enforce. This is int. Then we go ahead pgres, which is an int. Then we go after the root tier. Fuck. Shit. Yeah. Cool. So there is string com requires removal of these quotations. Yeah, this is also string. We do it until the address, which is string. Then we go after the terminal, which is also a string. Then we go after the res, which is res and string. Let's see. Should be fine. Yeah. Now, where is empty? Cool. It's really cool. So we can grab it, go in here, cool. So this is really it with the parser, right? And I guess I will need to do the like types of values for my previous things, which would be like appreciated, I guess. So I'm pretty sure it like considers everything as a string at this moment, which is not really that great, because some of them could be the ints, which then allow you to use like the operators greater or less, right? Greater or equal, less or equal. Let me grab this, let me go to my code. I will like quickly update it while I have a time. Yeah. So January 6, 2012. Yeah. It was good. And then I rename the file to 0.6. Yeah. This is looking kinda nice. Cool. Should be updated now. Yeah. The link is different. Cool. So yeah, for the future, from now on, I will specify the value type or the column type, whatever, for each for each parsed value or column. We'll need to do it in previous cases, previous methods. I need to think about this one as well. Yeah, and this could be avoided when I specify the type in here, yeah. So this will be like one line less, which is, I guess, something, right? Okay, that will be it for it. So that was like quick little stream when you can see how I go about writing the parser and updating it. So I try to make it better, and perhaps it will help someone. It is helping me, I guess, to learn something more about the Auditd and stuff like that. And KQL, of course, right? Then I will think about making it performing better, because I have been like doing some research about the KQL and like I'm not sure for sure that the extract, this is heavy, right? So I could do something about it, make it less heavy. I don't know yet. Perhaps, I don't know, there should be like better solution to it. I guess this is from me, like everything for now from me. That was a short stream. I tried like shorter formats, because I'm pretty sure that when I stream for like more than half an hour, 1 hour and a half, no one is like watching the entire thing. So yeah. So what we did like a couple of different record types. We did the KQL for our parser for Auditd. So yeah, thanks for watching. I guess I will see you next time. We'll try to make it more consistent, and yeah, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and all that stuff.